Did you know you could get sexy beach waves in under 10 minutes? Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Now, there's more than one technique to achieve sexy beach waves, but my simple, easy trick will teach you how to do it in less time, less stress, so you are sexy always, summertime or not. And shout out to Cosmic Woman 804. She was the one that asked me how I do my hair and my makeup, so I'm making a video just because I was asked to, and I will also have a Lancome makeup video coming up soon. And ladies, you don't have to stand there in the bathroom mirror for an hour with a curling iron to achieve this sexy beach look. I've got an easier way. Now, you guys probably remember the viral trend on TikTok called the butterfly cut, where they had sectioned half the hair. They've taken this part, put it in a ponytail, taken the bottom part, put it in a ponytail, and then they cut. That is similar, but it's not quite the same effect. It gives you a layered effect, but I have also an easier way. If you have all one length hair, to kind of use the same butterfly cut, all one thing, you don't want to go to the salon, you don't want to have to pay them, $120 to cut and style your hair. This is the simple way. You are going to turn your head upside down. You are going to gather all your hair upside down. You are going to pull it all one length, and when it is upside down, you make one straight cut across the bottom. I'm going to try my best to demonstrate this, so hold on. Now, we are going to try to pull all my hair, even though it's already been styled and sprayed, upside down to show you how you do this. Now, you are going to gather, head upside down, and of course you're going to have a brush with you, but you are going to gather all of your hair. If it's one length and you want quick layers, you're going to gather it all like this, and you're going to make one straight cut across. That was crazy. And upside down. But you know what? The hair bounces back. That's why this technique works. Second technique that you can do is to take texture spray, and you're going to spray it on your hair, and you're going to manually twist your hair and let it dry that way. And when it dries that way, you take your fingers, finger comb it through, tassel it around, and you're going to finish with a hairspray or a texture spray. Now, the other technique you can do is, this is like old school 80's, kind of finger wave braid, kind of crimping kind of deal. But you're going to take wet hair, you're going to braid it at night before you go to bed, and when you wake up the next morning, like we used to do when we were kids, it's going to automatically have the waves. Finger tassel, little hairspray, set, and you're good to go. Let's talk about the layered cut that allows you to do the sexy beach waves with very minimal effort, and it is called increased layers or long layers. And when you go to the salon, you can either show them this video or you can tell them, I want long layers or increased layers, but you know if they're doing it right, because just like the head upside down thing that I crazily showed you before, when they section your hair, they're going to section it just like a regular haircut, but every section from here straight up, everything straight up, every section, that is what is going to give you the layers. Because when you think about it, if you're putting it straight up and the layers lay down, each of those layers are going to automatically be in place. Like I said, if you have to, show her this video, but this is called increased layers or a long layered cut. And that is the base for this whole video, even though there are other techniques that you can also use to achieve your sexy beach waves. This is my quick 5-minute tutorial for how to get those sexy beach waves in 5 minutes. Now, please remember that I do have a textured layered cut. Now, I have wet hair, semi-wet hair, and I'm going to demonstrate the quick 5-minute technique. And the key here is Aussie freeze spray. I should take stock in this company, I swear. But we are going to take the freeze spray, and you're going to distribute it by lifting so it can get to the roots. And you're going to prep the hair with quick little squirts before you blow dry. Now you're going to take the blow dryer. You're going to turn your head upside down. That's going to be hard because I'm in my bedroom and not in the bathroom. But you take the blow dryer, your head upside down, and you're going to scrunch, which is that squeezing and kind of ruffling motion that you're going to scrunch your hair while you're blow drying your hair upside down. scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Okay, when it is almost dry, it just takes a little bit of zhuzhing, a little bit of tweaking. But it's like overall, if you have the right cut and you've used your spray, it's like 5 minutes. Could not be simpler. Finish. Last step is to finish off with a very light coat, because remember, you've already got hairspray in your hair and you have sexy summer beach waves. 80s ladies rule. The 80s sexy beach waves have never really gone out of style, and that's because so many women love them because the technique is fast, easy, and it's super sexy. So product giveaway video is coming, so stay tuned to Kim's Beauty Biz, a YouTube channel, and as always, much love.